I didn't realize the interstate cameras were so good.
Oh yeah. The window's fogging up. Look at this nice open view we have.
I know.
Oh yeah.
That is beautifully cooked, hon. Okay, so here's the deal. The Verona Antique Vlogmas took so much longer to edit than I was expecting. I did not realize how much footage I had. So all that to say, I wasn't able to get as much, what are you doing, Kat? I wasn't able to do as much today as I wanted to for Vlogmas. But I mean, you guys saw, it's super icy anyways, not like there was much I could do, but I got some cool artsy shots and that kind of fulfilled my inner creativity. But I don't think that's enough footage or long enough to be a Vlogmas. And a lot of these Vlogmases have been pretty short. I'll just be honest. I've wanted them to be longer. It's been tough this year. It's been tough. But I just gave you guys 2 longer videos. So I'm hoping you'll forgive me if this one isn't very long. It's currently, it literally just hit midnight. So to get some more footage and to actually have some Vlogmas content, I am gonna film for an hour down here in the basement. I've also never been in the basement this much since moving into this house until Vlogmas. I'm down here all the time now. I basically live down here. So I'm gonna set my timer. I'm gonna tag, I'm gonna clean a few things down here. I would really like to take some stuff over to the antique mall tomorrow. We'll see how the road conditions are for me to be able to do that. We'll see where we're at after an hour. And that'll be the vlog for today. Timer, hour, starting now. Oh my gosh. Kat, you're gonna be the death of me. I hope you know I had to sell that. Kat, this is, all right, what are we gonna do about this? Because, no, don't you come after my earbud. Oh my gosh. I put some catnip over there. See how that goes. So far, so good. Oh no, oh no. Never mind. He really wants to destroy this. Maybe I move on to something else for now. He's like rolling in it now. Just let me finish this. Oh my gosh. Just let me work in peace. He just smacked the microphone. He's gonna do it again. Okay, no more. No more. No more, you sweet boy. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. My coffee. This is why everything takes forever. Can I? Excuse you. Don't you put your paws on me. He just laid down on the tag that I was writing. This is just a Vlogmas about you. You are the main character. Really? Please, I'm so close to being done. Oh, the timer. All right, I'm just gonna give myself another 10 minutes because of the catastrophe that the beginning of this all was. This is your fault. Oh my God. Cats, I've had cats. He is the most cat I've ever had. All my other cats, so chill. What is this? Is this normal cat? Did I just get lucky up until now? Okay. You just want me to hold you? Oh my gosh. The setup here on the table is looking very spring, sticking to the whole out of season styling. Why am I the way that I am, Fisher? The real question is, why are you the way that you are? All right, y'all, I'm gonna call the vlog here. Good night.